Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a text transparent in Affinity. Now, once you're inside Affinity, guys, and you have your text, as you can see, I have a text right here. I'm going to make the text size a bit larger so that you can see it even more. To make this text transparent, all I have to do is just simply go ahead and ensure that I click on Vector on the upper right, and then on the right hand side, you want to ensure that you click in color. So you have four options right here. Just ensure that you click in color. Then you'll find the opacity right here. And from here, just simply bring down the opacity to whatever you want. And as you can see, the more I bring it down is the more transparent it gets. And I can move it and put it wherever it is. Now at this moment, you can see that it is behind this image, but that's perfectly fine. If I want to make it larger, I can go ahead and make it larger. If I want to bring it in front, you can easily go ahead and right click on it and choose arrange and just say bring it in front, and that's it. But that's how easy it is, guys. That's how easy it is to make your text transparent in Affinity. Very easy and very simple.